Hi, I'm Janet. Welcome to my channel. I hope everyone's enjoying this beautiful weather outside. In today's video, we'll be changing up my winter bedding decor for this comforter set that I found at HomeGoods. I hope you watch my other video where I go through my TJ Maxx and HomeGoods haul. I'll also be telling you about a window project that Tom and I'll be doing on the front porch, and we'll check on my flowers to see if they're still blooming. I'll also be doing laundry and telling you about some upcoming projects. I hope if you like today's video that you'll like and subscribe. I'm a new content creator and I welcome all your feedback. I'd like to know if I'm getting better or worse and what videos you'd like to see in the future. So please leave something for me in the comments. I promise to get back with you, and so let's get started. I don't know about you, but I'm ready for spring. It's time to get rid of the heavy clothes, coats, and blankets. We sleep with the windows open during the winter, so we always keep an extra blanket on the bed. We sleep so much better with the fresh, cold air. Let me know in the comments if you sleep with your windows open in the winter or closed. I find it's easier to roll the sheets and blankets into a ball, and it makes it easier to carry them to the laundry room. I'm so excited to actually see the bedding out of the package. I hope it's as pretty as it looked in the store. I usually stick with solid colors, but I thought this set was so beautiful and I wanted to try something with a floral pattern. The decorative pillow is gorgeous. The light blue goes so well with the light gray walls. The bedding set came in 8 pieces with the comforter. The comforter matches the decorative pillow. The set came with 2 pillow shims and a sheet set. The purple on the sheet matches my purple armoire perfectly. I sped up the video. Who wants to watch anyone make a bed in real time? I'm also used to Tom helping me make the bed, so it took me longer to do it by myself. We have an Amish mattress and it's extra thick, so I struggle getting the sheet to stay on in the corners. I'm finally able to get it to stay put. Put the top sheet on upside down so when you fold it back you can see the print. I think it gives it the hotel look. After we get the bed made and the laundry started, I'll take you for a tour of the backyard. It needs a lot of work. We wanted to work on the front of the house first. I'll show you some of the storm damage we recently had and give you an updated tour of the porch. I was able to find a few of the missing items to finish the spring decor. Please stay tuned for that and an update on how Lola, our dog, is doing after her surgery. All this is near the end of the video.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Yo. Set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
We'll come back later in the video to see the finished bed. I added some additional pillows after I used my steam shark to steam out some of the wrinkles on the comforter and the pillows.
Today's gonna be a good day. Wake up. Today's gonna be a good day. Wake up. Today's gonna be a good day. Wake up. Today's gonna be a good day. So life ain't easy, yo. I think there's a reason, though. Ups and downs, just like every different season, yo. Sometimes I'm high, other times I'm barely breathing, though. You always gotta fight and hide from the demons, yo.
It's time to start some laundry. I'm going to wash the old sheets and blankets, separate out the clothes and towels, and then throw in a load of towels.
In my head when I'm lost, yeah, so I'ma fake it till I make it. Positive thoughts are overtaken, I got patience. One day at a time is how you operate a cadence. A flow, you grow, you show yourself a foundation. Stay away from all the shit.
Don't worry, I also sped up the sorting and boring part.
Sensation. I live my life in my head like a narration. Don't expect greatness, do my best, man, I'll take it. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up. Today's gonna be a good day.
Wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
I talked about our non-toxic cleaning products in a previous video. We use Branch Basics Concentrate Detergent and the Powdered Oxygen Boost for the laundry. I also use white vinegar to freshen and soften everything. Using non-toxic cleaning and personal care products has been a major part of our health journey and in losing and keeping off 45 pounds. The comforter set was a little wrinkled, so I'm going to use my steam shark to see if I can get out the wrinkles. It's time to put the sheets in the dryer and start a load of towels. After that, we'll take a tour of the backyard. This is from the storm damage, and hopefully later this summer we'll get to paint the shed and remove the electrical box. This is the backyard, and we plan on replacing all the fence. And this is where our garden will go this spring. This is the back of the house. My flowers have finally bloomed, and I think they're beautiful. I can't believe I grew them after 2 years because I don't have a green thumb. On Sunday, we plan to replace these 2 front windows on the porch. Here are some materials that we'll be using to replace the windows on the front porch. There's 2 double hung windows, one 2x6x8, and that's for the windowsill. That's the one without the paint. We have 4 1x8s for the side tops and bottoms of the window, one 1x6x8 for the center posts, and one 2x8 for the blind stop. We have 2 fluted pieces for trim and 2 base caps to go along the top and the bottom of the trim. Here's the updated tour of our front porch. I still need a new doormat. I replaced the smaller egg wreath with this beautiful lavender one. I added the decorative textured pillow to the glider and the floral arrangement in the vase. I also purchased a placemat to anchor the decorative bowl of eggs and changed out the dark winter blanket with this beautiful pink blanket with fringes. I guess I'm in love with fringes for this spring. And here's the finished bed. It's a light powdery blue, and the sheets are a floral print, and all the pillows have this beaded piping and tassels. How do you think it turned out? In case y'all are wondering, Lola still has stitches. Say hi, Lola. But she's going Tuesday to hopefully have them removed. They'll have to put her to sleep again to remove them. Want to say hi to everybody, Lola? Say hi. Thank you for spending the day with me. I hope you enjoyed it and that you'll watch our future video of where Tom and I replace the windows on the front porch. Until then, live life and find what makes you happy.